Alright, this is a test of a homemade light board. This is just a 48-inch piece of plexiglass, 48 inches by 24 inches from the hardware store. It was definitely not perfect. We've got some spots here and here. Also, my camera setup, well, it's an iPhone, and I do not have a wireless mic, so I hope you can hear me. But this is just a first beta test. We've got just a light strip and a card table. So let's see, these are some special Expo markers I found at Home Depot that we can do some diagramming on. And let's just say we've got a V-center here. This is going to be backwards, but normally you would take this video and mirror it, so it should be okay. And it's going to be connected to some physical hosts, which we'll put in white. This is our ESX host. And so that V-center is able to provide virtual resources to a vCloud cell, and it makes a connection to a vCenter server and makes that logical provider virtual data center. So this is a pool of virtual resources, so we'll call this a PVDC, or you can think of it as a provider or a physical virtual data center. It's the physical resources that back up our tenants, and then our tenants are going to be over here. So each tenant gets a VDC, which is just a portion of that physical data center. Now the nice thing is the allocation model can be reserved like this, or it can be shared where the entire set of resources are available to each virtual data center. And you could have multiple, we'll see, we've already used yellow. We'll continue using green for our tenants, for our other tenant. So this will be tenant 1, this will be tenant 2, and they can also consume those resources, which are basically coming from this vCenter. Now, what's also capable for vCloud Director in the latest release is NSX integration. So if we have an NSX controller attached to vCenter, that means we're able to provision, we'll use yellow for this, multiple networks or virtual wires that are based on VXLAN that all can travel over a single back-end VLAN. Oops. And allow us to spin multiple networks up, and these virtual wires can be assigned directly to those virtual data centers. Okay, and that is just the quick whiteboard test.